Hello, I'm Uncle Wally. Today, I want to talk about something that's very close to my heart: birds and nature. I love watching birds fly freely in nature, singing their beautiful songs, and enjoying the incredible beauty of the natural world. I remember when I was a kid, I would often watch birds flying around my house. I'd watch them and try to mimic their sounds. Now, I still enjoy watching birds and appreciating the beauty of nature. However, I'm also aware that nature and bird habitats are facing many threats. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change all impact bird life and ecosystems. That's why I want to encourage us all to take